What's your dream? Rev up your goals and take the fast track to your dreams with Axelerator. Build up your investment funds faster than a regular insurance with 3 easy steps. 1. Decide how much you want to put aside annually for your dreams and get 5 times life insurance coverage. 2. Choose your AXA investment fund. Depending on your risk preference, you can choose the AXA investment fund that fits your needs. Choose from bonds, stocks, or a combination of both. With Axelerator, around 65% of your premium payments for the first 3 years goes to AXA investment funds. And as early as the 4th year onwards, all your payments go to investments as well. 3. Pay for a minimum of 10 years and apply for a premium holiday on the 11th year. The more payments you make, the more money goes to investments. The more your account value grows. The higher the account value, the lesser the charges. Plus, make partial withdrawals from your investments starting on the 3rd year to cover any financial emergency. Get free investment units on the 10th and 20th years, equivalent to 5% of your average account value for the past 10 years. The lesser withdrawals you make, the higher the bonus becomes. Get up to speed with an investment-linked life insurance with funds managed by the Metro Bank Trust Banking Group. We give you what you need. Start building up your investments and reach for your dreams now. AXA Axelerator, making your dreams happen faster.